Hi, I'm Delandis. Welcome back to my channel. Dramatic enough? As always, I am super excited to bring you another heels tutorial. So warm up, grab those heels, and meet me back on the dance floor. See you soon. Welcome back. But before we get started, if you are not a subscriber, please consider subscribing to this channel and press that bell notification so that you may get any notifications for any videos or tutorials I may upload. Now to the good stuff. We are doing a sassy, sexy dance to the song, Tell Me What You Want. Alright guys, are you ready? Again, this song is called Tell Me What You Want. So, tell them what you want. We start with that right leg. From here, we scoop back. Scoop and chew together. Take that right over the left and you roll. Want. Okay? Trying it again. Tell me what you want. Easy breezy. Again, 5, 6, 7, and tell me what you want. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tell me what you want. Remember, you could always go back and rewind. This whole next section kind of merges into each other. Want, moving on. Tell me what you need. From here, baby. Remember, I said that that's just gonna flow into the next. So, what you want, step out, tell me what you need. So step that leg back on, you drop, need, you come up, baby, yes. Pull them into you, I should say. All right, again, let's do the whole thing from the top. 5, 6, 7, and tell me what you want. Tell me what you need, baby. Now, that's tough because of the weight distribution. My heels are really high, so I'm really holding that core in nice and tight. Everything is lifted. Even when I come here, everything boom, is lifted so I don't fall over, baby. From here, this is yours. You play. Boom, finish that phrase, whatever that is for you. Shoo. Oh, that's yours, okay? From the top, 5, 6, 7, and tell me what you want. Tell me. I'm gonna leave that in so that you know that I make mistakes too. Rarely, but I do. Take it from the top, guys. 5, 6, 7, slowly, and tell me what you want. Tell me what you need, baby. Take your time, entice, boom, Finish that phrase. Moving on, kids, from that freestyle, that beat drops back in. You step out. Right leg, step left. Keep that left leg out because you're going to take that left hand, pull it from here, across your chest to here, in, roll out. Now when you pull it in, I want you to feel like you're hiding something, Pull it in, then roll back to the audience. Step across, step, cross, step. Step back with that right leg to unravel, right, and you bring it together, boom, sitting into that left hip here. You see that left hip? Boom. Look. Alright. So you're going to accent that head on the and beat. Ha. Look. Alright. Again, beat drops in. Arms, whatever you want. Here. Pull across that chest. Here you're hiding something and roll it out. Walk with that right leg. Step across. Step. Unravel. Step. And don't do that. Unravel from here, step, and boom, then look. Now that head adds a little extra little flair, a little dynamic to it. One more time. I keep saying one more time because I want to give you a little extra time to work with it, okay? So the one more time may not just mean one more time, it just means again. All right, 5, 6, 7, beat drops. Da, around, pull, hide, roll. Step, step, shoo, ha, look. Play around your body, play, finish that, roll, pull. From the top, we add on, we're building those layers. 5, 6, 7, and tell me what you want. Tell me what you need, baby. That's yours, whatever you want to do with it. And beat drops ready, and leg around in here. Walk, walk, turn, and look, roll, pew, boom, and finish that phrase. One thing that I want you to remember when you're coming back around, as you roll, this is not the destination. This is the destination. It comes out quickly. So we roll, merging right into that leg. Ha, back and look. Take your time. Finish your phrase however you want to, because we're moving from there. Pushing right along. We don't have much left. Stay with me. Stepping in with your left leg to tap. Now when I step up, that weight goes over to the right leg. Step back on that left leg to turn, and left leg goes out. We sit into that hip and switch. Okay, again. We roll, finish it, whatever you do there. Lift it up, turn, and step back, sit, sit. From here, bringing that leg in, boom, slide it in. Take our time, you have some time here. Wrap, shoo, pa. Yes. All right, again from here. Boom, sit. We bring that leg in, lift it up, shoo, pa. Finish that phrase, then we walk out of it. Use that walk, walk, walk. And I think he says for you or something, I don't know. He says something, da-ha. That's another tease, boom, boom. Now notice here with this leg, when I do that bent leg here, that left leg is front. Because our next step will take us over our head to sit back into that position here. Same thing we did from the very beginning, okay? We have for you, whatever that is, step back with that right leg over the head, sit. And did I mess up my hair? When I have my hair in the fro, guys, you don't see me do much stuff in my hair because it would be all over the place. It would be a mess. So I try to avoid it when I can, when I have my afro. From here, sit back into it. Boom. We come out of it with the scooch, scooch of the body. Are you ready to put the ending to this? Say yes, you are.
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay, let's try this one more time before we get to that ending. We finish it here. Boom, boom, whatever that is. Lift. Now you may have to redistribute that weight when you lift up. Lift, turn, and back, sit, boom. Pull that leg, take your time, boom, hop. We walk out of it, starting with what leg? The right leg. Walk, walk, for you, whatever that is. And we take it back, sit, scooch, scooch, finishing it up. This is it. We cross over with that right leg like a box step. Box, slide back, we pull it in, peel. Yes, and then we finish it however you want. That's yours. And that's it. That's the end, guys. You did it. How is it? Write in the comment section below. Let's take the whole thing from the top. Slow it down. I'm going to keep reminding you guys that you can go back, rewind it. This tutorial is supposed to be for you to build on it. You may not get it the first time, especially if you are not a dancer. My dancers, yes, you may. But everyone else, I want you to take your time. Be ready. 5, 6, 7, and tell me what you want. Tell me what you need, baby. This is yours. Play, play. Here we go. Beat drop. Do it and step and pull. Walk, walk, back and step. Look, duet, 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 and finish the phrase. And step, turn and back, sit, hit, pull. Take your time and I walk, walk, home, boom. And ready, ending over the head. Roll, sit, scooch, scooch, box step, cross, slide, peel, peel, in. Finish it however you want to. That's yours, okay? When you step around with that leg, cross, slide, peel. Pick up that leg, point it, peel it. All right, slide, boom. We call that an articulation. Articulate that leg. All right, shoosh, boom. You finish it. Always serve face. Now, when we perform, I want the face, I want the hair, I want the nails, the heels, of course, you already have that on. Play around with it, guys. Throw something sexy on, throw something cute on, something that makes you feel comfortable and feel sassy. Go get ready. I will meet you back at the performance.
Love me before I go. I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I go. Bet you love me before I go. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need, baby. Tell me about your dreams. Tell me everything, yeah. Do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. I'll do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. Party's never over for me. My favorite Toy Story. Bo Peep is chasing me. Woody, let me be a fantasy. Swiss Army King, they call me. Come find the key, baby, baby. I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I go.
Guys, I had an amazing time and I hope you did too. It is always a pleasure dancing with you guys. Once you have this dance, take it out into the world, own it, it's all yours and it's about you. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing to this channel and press that bell notification so that you may get any notifications for any videos or tutorials I may upload. I love you guys. See you next time.